Guys, I did some improvements. Don't worry about the golden carrots. I got it from trading with pigment, earlier, and I'm finally getting close. Oh no, where's my horse? Oh, there's my horse. I got a golden horse armor from what was it called again? From a Piglin trade, bro. I'm so lucky with Piglins, bro. Please just drop me. Something that will help me. Yay. That's done. They just follow me everywhere. These fucking slime, man. These fucking slime slime out, but they can't even damage me. Dumbass. Don't worry about what I'm doing. Worry about your own stuff. Motherfucker. Now that is there and there is there that. Don't worry about the emeralds I traded for that with the piglin. I got this. I know I got it. I will walk in and get ender pearls and blaze rods. And what the heck, I might even get some gold armor. Don't worry about how long it takes for me to load. My phone is a bit slow to Minecraft because it has a lot of what the hell? Where the hell? Where the hell am I? Where the hell am I? For like a second. Ooh, more gold. This wasn't where I spawned before. Okay, I have a bit of golden nuggets, so I can trade for more, so I can get like maybe ender pearls and maybe blaze rods. Please have a proper exit, and no, it doesn't have an exit, bro. I'ma just show coordinates. Was 68. Near here. Yes, found a small little crab. Something new. Hindi mas load. There we go. More load nugget. Oh, this is the proper opening. And this is a shorter part because I'm gonna post episode 3 next tomorrow.